then I'll go to over here so I can keep an eye on, nope, not that one. Want to keep an eye on the chat. There we go. Whoops, wrong button. Okay, so friends, thank you for joining me. Got a kind of neat thing to unbox today. So this is, you can't really see it very well on that camera, but all right, let's hold it up. This is Lillie's Premium Tournament Collection. It was a Pokemon item, just came out today. Was able to pre-order it through the Pokemon Center website. Was just kind of lucky that when they did the drop, I was on the right place, right time, and was able to get an order through. But yeah, this just came out today, so pretty excited to pop it open and see everything that's in that. I know there's 6 packs, 2 of which are Journey Together, part of the newest set, and also has like a bunch of other little goodies. So let's get into it. All right, so we got some little player dice. These are not certified for D&D, so we'll, that's for the trading card game. That's okay. Oh yeah, here we go. So there is a very cool full art promo. So that is going to be my new Clefairy that lives in my binder. So we got a very nice full art promo, and then a few of these Lillie's Pearls items, which I think could be useful for the game. They also kind of got a nice little foil to them. Look really nice. Just kind of set those aside. And a sticker. This is like be such a great gift. There's so much fun stuff. A box. Let's see. All right. Then we got a little Lillie token. I've got starting to get a collection of these going too. These card sleeves, which are cool. So if you want to protect your cards, I think there's maybe 25 or 50 of these guys. And then what we're really interested in, the pack. Oh, that's a nice little box. Nice little Velcro box. That's cool. Keep your battle deck ready to go. So we got a couple game markers. And then here is our packs. Oh, that's a cool Clefairy box if you're a big fan. Very neat. All right, so we got our 2 Journey Togethers. I'll save those for last. Surging Sparks, lots of good stuff in there. Same for Twilight Masquerade, Obsidian Flames, and let's start with the Paldea Evolved. Oh man, I'm out of practice. There we go. All right, always put this guy to the side, and you know what, we got to flip up our energy card, and that's how we start. All right, so energy, let's see, I'm trying to make sure all the cards are good and in frame. I'm gonna try not just naming them all again. It's just too many words to trip over. We'll just kind of flip through. Oh, cool, didn't have a Crocolore yet. Don't think I had a Girafarig yet. Ah, we froze. All right. I'm gonna pause for a second just because we are getting to the big reveal card. Hold on one second. See, Luke, you are frozen. That's right. I'm holding off on the reveal. This is what happens when you have suboptimal equipment for streaming. Maybe we'll upgrade at some point. All right, should be back. Can you confirm in the chat if we back? Let's see. Oh, no, it's probably going to take a second to catch up on the stream. Let's see here. Come on. Let's get a refresh the page. Okay. Looks like we're back. If you can't see, get a refresh on the page. That should do it. All right. Should be good. Anyways, we'll get to the big reveal. All right, so Girafarig is where we left off. Luxray. Very cool. One of my Sinnoh favorites. Used him a lot running through Brilliant Diamond. He was a beast. All right, moving on. We'll go to the Obsidian Flames. Thank you for confirming in the chat. What's up? All right. Obsidian Flames. Put that one to the side. Very cool. I like the art on that one. Let's see. Lunatone. I needed that. Lichen Rock. Very cool. All right. Chandelure. Claydol. Okay. I don't think I had one yet. So, all right. At least we're getting some deck spots that I needed filled. Moving on to Twilight Masquerade. There is a very nice full art pincer that I got the last time I opened a pack of these. All right. Everybody loves a Chansey. Drakelak, whatever. I'll learn how to pronounce them someday. Glaceon, let's go. I know it's somebody's favorite. That'd be my first one. We got a Sandslash, Emolga, cool. Okay, Reverse Hollow Chimchar. Heatran, I do got the Heatran, but still, very cool. All right, moving on. Going into Surging Sparks. So a lot of really nice cards in here. Or that potentially could be in here. All right, we'll put that to the side. Hey, Xelion. That is first one of that. Cool. Trapinch. I needed an Uxie. I needed an Indeedee. Man, this has been a good day for just filling the decks. Oricorio, cool. All right, all right. Let's go into the Journeys Togethers, and then we'll be good. All right. Whoops, forgot to do the energy, whatever, energy. We'll set it to the side. I kind of like this little art style. I got a few of these guys now where it's like the Pokemon is crocheted. I don't know if you can see it very well in here, but it's just kind of neat. All right, Impidimp, needed one. Escavalier. Oh, yes! That is one of the coolest cards in this set, actually. The full art, slightly realistic Furret. That is an awesome find. I am very happy about that. So cool. And then in a Hops Double. All right, all right. That was a great one. All right, last pack. Here we go. One more Journey Together. All right, let's see. We'll get the energy correctly this time. I think, you know what? I had the one before this and the one after. I don't remember all the names, but I needed that one, so cool. Let's see. Had a bunch of them. Another Lily's Pearl, not as cool as the promo ones I got though. A regular for it. Lilligant and a Wailord. Cool Wailord. All right, so one, I would say, what are they called? The illustration rares. Lot of deck spots to filled. Overall, very cool. Would do again. Would make a great gift. That's all. So thanks for tuning in. And yeah, that was Lillie's Premium Tournament Collection on release day. So it was felt very lucky that I got to do it on the day it came out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll do this again soon. Later, y'all.